EconoGrid 40 is a revolutionary plastic grid made of high-density polyethylene, HDPE, designed for various applications like driveways, parking lots, and golf courses. Installed atop prepared surfaces such as gravel or compacted soil, it's filled with materials like gravel, sand, or concrete, creating a sturdy, interlocking surface. What sets EconoGrid 40 apart from traditional construction materials like asphalt and concrete are its exceptional qualities. Its porous nature enables efficient water drainage, reducing flood risks and erosion. Moreover, it's eco-friendly, made from recycled materials and recyclable itself, offering an environmentally conscious choice for construction. Roof tiles are a popular roofing choice due to their durability, weather resistance, and aesthetic appeal. They come in various materials, including clay, concrete, metal, and slate, each with its unique advantages. Clay roof tiles are renowned for their longevity and are available in diverse colors and styles. Concrete tiles, made from robust concrete, boast strength and durability, offering a wide range of color and style options. Metal roof tiles, crafted from materials like aluminum or steel, are known for their lightweight nature and durability, available in numerous colors and styles. Slate roof tiles, made from natural slate, stand out for their enduring quality and come in various colors and styles to match different architectural designs. Geoplast New Elevetor is a groundbreaking modular formwork system designed for creating foundation crawl spaces in residential, industrial, and commercial buildings. Crafted from recycled polypropylene, this system offers remarkable benefits over traditional construction methods. Its interconnected modules, resistant to water, mold, and mildew, are easily assembled on prepared ground surfaces. Once in place, these modules form a robust base, which can be filled with concrete or gravel. The advantages of Geoplast New Elevetor include its swift and uncomplicated installation, ensuring significant time and labor savings. Additionally, it stands out for its durability, resisting water damage and mold growth, contributing to long-term cost savings. Dincel, an Australian company, revolutionizes construction with its permanent formwork system for walls and columns. Crafted from a durable polymer, Dincel formwork offers a range of advantages over traditional construction methods. It boasts swift and straightforward installation by small crews, leading to significant time and labor savings. Moreover, this innovative formwork is resistant to water, mold, and mildew, ensuring long-lasting durability while being recyclable, making it an environmentally friendly choice. The versatility of Dincel formwork shines in its ability to create various wall and column shapes and sizes, applicable in residential, industrial, and commercial buildings. Insulfoam Geofoam, constructed from closed-cell expanded polystyrene (EPS), is a remarkable construction material offering numerous advantages over traditional alternatives. Its lightweight nature makes it exceptionally cost-effective and eco-friendly. Being resistant to water, mold, and mildew, it can endure heavy traffic loads, ensuring durability. Additionally, its insulating properties enhance energy efficiency and building comfort. Its recyclability contributes to creating sustainable building envelopes. The benefits of Insulfoam Geofoam extend across various construction applications. It reduces site preparation costs, saving both time and money. It augments soil-bearing capacity, making previously unsuitable sites feasible for construction. The material also curtails settlement, enhancing the longevity of structures while improving drainage to mitigate flooding and erosion risks. Ferradix, a reputable German company, offers a groundbreaking ground anchor system suitable for a range of structures like traffic signs, bicycle racks, bollards, and waste containers. Crafted from high-quality steel, Ferradix ground anchors stand out for their durability and weather resistance. One of their standout features is the simplicity of installation. They can be easily set up by a single person. Installing them involves drilling a hole into the ground and inserting the anchor, secured further by driving a rod into the ground. The advantages of Ferradix ground anchors over traditional alternatives are numerous. They boast swift and hassle-free installation, saving both time and money. Their robust construction ensures both durability and weather resistance, promoting safety and reducing accidents. A Bumpa Hoist is a portable lifting solution revolutionizing construction projects, especially those involving rooftops. Designed to efficiently lift and transport materials like tiles, bricks, and mortar, Bumpa Hoists come in various models, including electric and petrol-powered options, with customizable attachments such as buckets, forks, and platforms. Unlike traditional methods such as ladders and scaffolding, Bumpa Hoists offer remarkable advantages. They significantly enhance safety by minimizing the risk of accidents like tipping over or overloading, ensuring a secure working environment. Furthermore, they boost efficiency, rapidly transporting materials to rooftops, thereby saving substantial time and labor. This increased efficiency translates to reduced costs, making Bumpa Hoists a cost-effective choice for construction projects. Spatial timber assemblies, developed by Gramazio Kohler Research at ETH Zurich in collaboration with ERNEAG Holzbau, is a groundbreaking robotic fabrication process that is transforming the timber construction industry. The process starts with a digital design of a timber frame module, which is then translated into instructions for a robot. This robot, with remarkable speed and precision, cuts the timber pieces to size and assembles them into the module, regardless of its structural complexity. This method offers numerous advantages over traditional timber frame construction methods. Notably, it drastically enhances construction speed and efficiency as robots can work much faster and with unparalleled accuracy compared to humans. The precision achieved in the assembly is unmatched, ensuring each module is flawlessly crafted. The AIST HRP-5P is a cutting-edge humanoid robot developed by the National Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology, AIST, in Japan, designed specifically for heavy labor tasks in hazardous environments like construction sites and nuclear power plants. Standing at 182 centimeters tall and weighing 101 kilograms, this robot boasts 37 degrees of freedom, allowing it to mimic human-like movements. Equipped with an array of sensors, including cameras, force sensors, and gyroscopes, the HRP-5P can perceive its surroundings and interact with objects, making it remarkably versatile. In its current developmental stage, the HRP-5P has showcased impressive capabilities such as lifting and carrying heavy objects like drywall and concrete blocks, utilizing various tools including power drills and screwdrivers, and navigating complex environments by walking. This robot holds immense potential to revolutionize industries by significantly enhancing safety and productivity. It could be deployed in construction sites for tasks such as material handling, machinery operation, and welding. TyBot, developed by Advanced Construction Robotics, is a groundbreaking rebar tying robot revolutionizing construction sites by automating the labor-intensive task of tying rebar. Mounted on a gantry, TyBot employs two robotic arms equipped with a sophisticated vision system, allowing it to identify and position itself accurately at rebar intersections. It can efficiently tie various rebar intersections, ranging from 4-way to 6-way intersections, significantly improving productivity and safety on construction sites. This innovative technology brings several advantages over traditional manual rebar tying methods. Firstly, TyBot significantly enhances productivity by tying rebar much faster than human workers, thereby expediting construction projects and reducing completion times. Secondly, TyBot greatly improves safety by eliminating the need for workers to perform repetitive and hazardous tasks, reducing the risk of injuries on construction sites. Depron registered insulation stands out as an exceptional choice for insulating buildings and structures due to its remarkable properties. This extruded polystyrene foam is not only lightweight and easy to install but also highly durable, resistant to water, mold, and mildew, ensuring long-term performance. Its superior insulating capabilities contribute significantly to reducing energy costs and enhancing the overall comfort of buildings, making it an environmentally friendly choice as well, given that it's made from recycled materials. One of the key advantages of Depron registered insulation is its versatility, available in various thicknesses and sizes to cater to a wide array of applications. It finds use in insulating walls, floors, ceilings, and roofs, providing effective thermal insulation. AERO IP stands out as a groundbreaking insulation solution, offering exceptional performance and versatility across various applications and construction. This innovative material, made with aerogel granules, possesses remarkable qualities that cater to the specific needs of different building elements. Notably, it excels in insulating walls, roofs, and floors, making it an excellent choice for a wide array of projects. Its adaptability is particularly highlighted in historical buildings and spaces with limited room, where it achieves high insulation values with a thin layer, preserving the architectural integrity while enhancing energy efficiency. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to me.